Imagine a world where creatures so rare and extraordinary exist they seem almost mythical. A world where animals with bizarre features and incredible survival skills live in the most remote corners of our planet. Today we're diving into the unknown to uncover 10 rare animal species you've never heard of. These creatures are so unique you'll be left wondering how they've stayed hidden for so long. Let's begin this journey into the wild and wonderful. At number 10 we have the blue Glaucus, a tiny sea slug that looks like a mythical creature from the depths of the ocean. Also known as the blue dragon, the slug floats upside down on the surface of the water, using its blue underside to camouflage with the ocean. But don't let its beauty fool you. The blue Glaucus is a fierce predator. It feeds on venomous jellyfish, including the Portuguese man-o'-war, and stores their stinging cells in its own body to use as a defense mechanism. A single sting from this tiny slug can be incredibly painful to humans. The blue Glaucus is a master of adaptation, using its vibrant colors to blend in with the water and avoid predators. Found in temperate and tropical waters, this rare species is a true marvel of marine life. However, like many ocean creatures, the blue Glaucus is threatened by pollution and climate change. Its survival depends on the health of our oceans, making it a symbol of the importance of marine conservation. Coming in at number 9 is the pink fairy armadillo, pastel-colored creature that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. Native to the deserts of Argentina, this armadillo is no bigger than your hand and spends most of its life underground. Its pink shell is soft and flexible, unlike the hard armor of other armadillos, and its large claws are perfect for digging through the sand. But here's the catch. The pink fairy armadillo is so rare and elusive that even scientists know very little about it. It's almost never seen in the wild, and only a handful have ever been studied. This mysterious little creature is a true enigma of the animal kingdom, and its survival depends on protecting its fragile desert habitat. Sadly, climate change and human activity are threatening its existence, making the pink fairy armadillo one of the rarest and most vulnerable species on Earth. At number 8 we have the Shoebill Stork, a bird that looks like it was designed by a cartoonist. Found in the swamps of East Africa, this prehistoric-looking bird stands over 4 feet tall and has a massive, shoe-shaped bill that can grow up to 9 inches long. The shoebill is a master of patience, standing completely still for hours before striking its prey with lightning speed. What makes the shoebill even more fascinating is its eerie behavior. It's known for its intense stare and its ability to remain silent for long periods, earning it the nickname King of the Marshes. Despite its intimidating appearance, the shoebill is a shy and solitary bird. Sadly, habitat destruction and human activity have made the shoebill a vulnerable species. This ancient bird is a living relic of a bygone era, and its survival is a race against time. Number 7 brings us to the Tufted Deer, a small elusive deer that looks like it's wearing vampire fangs. Native to the forests of China and Myanmar, this deer is named for the distinctive black tuft of hair on its forehead. But its most striking feature is its elongated canine teeth, which protrude like fangs. These fangs are used for fighting during mating season and for stripping bark from trees. The tufted deer is incredibly shy and rarely seen in the wild. It prefers dense forests and is most active during the early morning and late evening. Despite its small size, it's a skilled runner and can quickly disappear into the underbrush at the first sign of danger. Sadly, the tufted deer is under threat from habitat loss and hunting. Its forest home is being cleared for agriculture and development, and its unique fangs make it a target for poachers. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that this fascinating creature doesn't disappear from our planet. The tufted deer is a perfect example of how nature can surprise us with its creativity, and it's a species worth protecting. At number 6, we have the Saiga Antelope, a creature that looks like it stepped straight out of a sci-fi movie. Found in the steppes of Central Asia, this antelope is known for its bizarre, bulbous nose that hangs like a trunk. But this nose isn't just for show, it's a natural air filter. During the dusty summers, it helps clean the air before it reaches the lungs, and in the freezing winters, it warms the air before breathing. The Saiga antelope has a fascinating history. It's one of the few species that survived the Ice Age, roaming the earth alongside mammoths and saber-toothed cats. But today, this ancient animal is critically endangered. In the 1990s, their population dropped by 95% in just a decade due to poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are now underway to protect this unique species, but its future remains uncertain. The Saiga antelope is a living reminder of how fragile and extraordinary life on our planet can be. Number 5 takes us to Madagascar, where we find the Fossa, a mysterious predator that looks like a cross between a cat and a mongoose. The Fossa is the largest carnivore on the island and is known for its agility and strength. It can climb trees with ease and hunt lemurs in the treetops. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Fossa is incredibly rare and elusive. It's a solitary animal, spending most of its life alone in the dense forests of Madagascar. The Fossa is also a keystone species, meaning it plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. Without the Fossa, the population of lemurs and other prey species could explode, leading to overgrazing and habitat destruction. Sadly, the Fossa is under threat from deforestation and human activity. Its forest home is being cleared for agriculture, and it's often hunted by locals who see it as a threat to livestock. This unique predator is a symbol of Madagascar's incredible biodiversity, and its survival is crucial for the island's ecosystem. At number 4, we have the pangolin, a scaly, ant-eating mammal that's often called the world's most trafficked animal. Found in Africa and Asia, pangolins are covered in keratin scales that protect them from predators. When threatened, they curl into a tight ball, making them nearly impossible to attack. Pangolins are nocturnal creatures, spending their nights foraging for ants and termites. Their long, sticky tongues can extend up to 16 inches, allowing them to reach deep into insect nests. Despite their tough exterior, pangolins are gentle and shy animals, often avoiding humans whenever possible. But their scales, which are prized in traditional medicine, have made them a target for poachers. All 8 species of pangolins are now threatened with extinction. But their survival depends on global awareness and action. These gentle creatures are a tragic example of how human greed can push a species to the brink. Number 3 brings us to the narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. Found in the Arctic waters, this whale is known for its long spiral tusk, which is actually an elongated tooth. The tusk can grow up to 10 feet long and is used for sensing changes in the environment and even for breaking ice. Narwhals are incredibly elusive and live in some of the most remote regions on Earth. They travel in pods and are known for their deep dives, which can reach depths of over 5,000 feet. Despite their mysterious nature, narwhals are highly social animals, communicating with a variety of clicks, whistles, and songs. Climate change and human activity are now threatening their icy habitat. As the Arctic warms, the narwhal's food sources are becoming scarcer, and their migration patterns are being disrupted. This mysterious whale is a symbol of the Arctic's fragile beauty, and its survival is a race against time. Scientists are studying narwhals to better understand their behavior and how to protect them, but much remains unknown about these enigmatic creatures. At number 2, we have the red panda, a fluffy, raccoon-like creature that's as adorable as it is rare. Found in the forests of the Himalayas, the red panda is known for its bushy tail and reddish-brown fur. That it spends most of its life in trees, feeding on bamboo and fruit. Despite its name, the red panda is not closely related to the giant panda. It's actually a unique species with no close relatives. Red pandas are solitary animals, only coming together during the breeding season. They're also incredibly agile, using their long tails for balance as they navigate the treetops. Sadly, habitat loss and poaching have made the red panda an endangered species. Its forest home is being cleared for agriculture and development, and its beautiful fur makes it a target for hunters. Conservation programs are working to protect the red panda, but its future remains uncertain. This charming creature is a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the natural world. And finally, at number 1, we have the kakapo, a flightless parrot that's one of the rarest birds in the world. Found only in New Zealand, the kakapo is known for its friendly nature and unique mating call. It's also the heaviest parrot in the world, weighing up to 9 pounds. The kakapo is a nocturnal bird, spending its nights foraging for plants, seeds, and fruits. It's also one of the longest living birds, with a lifespan of up to 90 years. But what makes the kakapo truly unique is its breeding behavior. During mating season, males gather in a specific area and perform a booming call to attract females. This call can be heard from miles away and is one of the most distinctive sounds in the animal kingdom. Sadly, the Kakapo is critically endangered, with only around 200 individuals left in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this quirky bird, but its survival is far from guaranteed. The Kakapo is a symbol of hope and resilience, and its story reminds us of the importance of protecting our planet's unique species. From breeding programs to habitat restoration, every effort counts in saving this extraordinary bird. And there you have it, 10 rare animal species you've probably never heard of. From the Saiga Antelope to the Kakapo, these creatures remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember, the wild is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.